to Tommy's Learning World! Tommy found an egg one day, rolling down a grassy way, heard to curn air. Round and round the egg would go, fast at first and then quite slow. Roll, 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 little egg, bounce, 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 little egg. Listen to the funny sound, dead-to-rur. Roll, roll, little egg, Tommy loves play hit-the-do. Laugh and sing and dance around. On this happy day, regalays. The egg rolled past a butterfly, floating gently through the sky. Mirtha, Tommy waved and ran behind, seeing what he could find. Seize! Roll, 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 little egg, roll along the ground, heard to curn air. Bounce, 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 little egg, listen to the funny sound, diddle egg. Listen to the funny sound, dead-to-rur. The egg rolled near a rainbow bright, shining with colorful light, rarely. Tommy danced and clapped his hands, happy in this magic land. Land, ha!